control. Yay! Got a burger! Time to try my super remote control. The burger's biting me! Ouch! And why is the car moving? Stop! Stop! I finally did it! Now I can control everything! This is so funny! What's going on? The toilet turned into a monster! Daddy!
Sweetie!
Help me!
Oops!
My super remote control can control everything! Help us, please! What's going on?
It's Antel again! We gotta move!
Mommy! Daddy!
Our kids!
Help!
Oh no!
Time to calm you down!
Antel, surrender now!
The police!
You won't get away!
Mommy! Daddy!
Stop right there! Hey! Hey!
Witness the power of my super remote control!
Remote control?
Huh? Watch out!
Oh
I got something even better! A symbol! Trash can monster!
Careful, guys! Papillon!
It's coming again!
Stop her from using that remote! Papillon, get the gear!
Got it! Infrared goggles! Most remotes use infrared signals to control things.
If we block them, we can stop Antel! Let's go!
Let's see how many you can block!
1, 2, 3.
Antel, hey!
Ow! You're reflecting the signals!
Antel, surrender now! I can't control my body.
Me neither! Ow!
Oh no! Antel's controlling both of you! What's going on? Tickles! She got me too! You're too late to find out! Now, let me enjoy the show! Don't even think about it! This is so much fun! It tickles! Why did they stop? block the signals with stickers!
Gotcha!
What? No! Wait! My remote!
Hey!
You'll never catch Dr. Antel! Mission failed!
Sheriff's notes.
Things to keep in mind.
Kids, lots of remotes use a special signal called infrared light. When we press a button, it sends a light with commands. We can't see it, but it helps us do things like change TV channels, control the air conditioner, and move toy cars. It makes our lives much easier.
Woof!